Hello viewers, in this video you are going to learn how to fix Hostinger affiliate program rejected. So let's get started. First, review the rejection reason. You can check the email or dashboard message from Hostinger to understand why your application was denied. Then improve your website quality. Make sure your site professional, easy to navigate, and filled with valuable relevant content like web hosting tips or tutorials. You can increase your website traffic, use SEO, social media marketing, and content creation to attract more consistent visitors. Affiliate programs prefer sites with steady traffic. Now, reapply with a stronger profile. After improvements, submit a new application, highlight the changes you have made, and show how your site can drive traffic and sales for Hostinger. Then ask for feedback or contact Hostinger support or your affiliate manager for personalized guidance on improving your approval chances. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.